Bring the box containing the used nozzle and syringe to the yellow room. The residual material blocks the through hole. Put the used syringe into the beaker. There are two solutions for cleaning. The solution on the left is suitable for cleaning PCL materials. The right solution on the right is suitable for cleaning both PCL and PLA materials. The remaining material in the syringe is PCL, so the solution on the left will be used for cleaning. Pour the solution into the beaker and immerse the syringe to be cleaned. Cover with tin foil and leave for 1 day. After 1 day, use tweezers to pick up the syringe and put it in a new beaker. Rinse with acetone first. Then rinse with IPA. After cleaning, blow dry with an air gun. Finally, check the cleaning status and complete the cleaning work.